This art lesson is sponsored by Paramount Pictures for the movie Transformers 1, now available on digital.
Hey our friends, today we're super excited to draw Megatron from Transformers 1.
Yeah, and we can't wait to show you how to draw him, but if you don't already know, Transformers 1 tells the origin story of Optimus Prime.
Also known as Orion Pax.
And Megatron.
Called D16.
Yeah, you can watch Transformers 1 at home today.
Parents, you can click the link in the description below to purchase the movie on digital.
All right, Jack, are you ready to draw Megatron?
Yes.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. Let's get started.
Okay.
Let's first draw Megatron's chest. We're going to start here towards the top of our paper so that we have room for his whole body. And we're going to draw a horizontal line straight across. I'm going to turn my paper sideways so it's a little easier. And we'll draw it about that wide. Then we can draw the sides coming down, equal on both sides. And then we'll connect the bottom for a rectangle shape. Next, let's draw the bottom of his chest coming in on both sides, short diagonal line. And then we'll connect those lines together. Then let's draw his waist. We're going to come in on each side and we'll draw a short line down. I love Transformers because we can build the body with all of these basic shapes to make it more complicated. So let's draw diagonal lines coming in next on each side. And then we can connect those diagonal lines together also. Now let's draw his hips coming out this way on each side. And then we'll draw longer diagonal lines coming in for the top of his legs. And then we can connect those together also. Next, let's start the legs. We're going to draw the top of the legs, or the inside of the top of the legs, short lines on the inside, and then we'll draw longer lines that match on the outside, coming down to the same length. And then we can connect those together. And now we're going to draw smaller rectangle shapes for his knees here. I'm going to draw a little faster, so if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. Then we're going to draw the bottom of his legs. We'll draw short lines coming out right below the top part. And then we're going to draw the inside first. We're going to draw a straight line coming down on both sides. Now for the outside of this part of his leg, we're going to draw it diagonal so it gets thicker towards the bottom. Yeah, I love that your Megatron is looking bigger.
Chunkier.
Yeah, thicker. He looks stronger than mine. The next time I draw Megatron, I'm going to draw him that big. Now let's draw the bottom of his legs or his feet. There's the general shapes for his body and also his legs. Now let's move on to his arms. We're going to start here and we're going to draw the top of his arm coming down. We'll start at his shoulder. And then we'll come down and end here. Yes, and then we can also repeat the same steps on the other side since it's symmetrical. Then let's draw a curve. We'll start here at the top. We'll curve out and then down, and then we'll stop at the same length of the inside of his arm. Then we can connect the bottom of those shapes. Then we'll draw two short lines below his shoulders. And then we're going to draw his forearms. We'll start by drawing a line connecting those two shorter lines but going past on each side. Now let's draw the outside of his forearm coming down right in line with his body. And we can do the same over here. Then on the inside, we're going to curve and then come down, and then we'll curve in and then connect to the outside. And then let's do the same thing over here. Curve down and then curve out. Now let's draw his wrists. We're going to draw two short lines. Let's connect those lines together. And then we're going to draw his fists. We're going to draw a U shape coming around. I'm also aiming the U shape in. on both sides. Now we can draw his thumb inside of his hand. And then we're going to draw this part, his fingers curled up, so we can just draw a little circle next to his thumb. Oh, let's come back up here. We've got to connect the arms into the body. They're just floating right now. Now, before we draw his head, let's add one detail to his chest. We're going to draw the place where the cog is that gives them their transforming power.
Yeah.
We're going to draw a square shape. I'm going to draw 2 lines, one here. I'm going to go down a little further, one over here to match, and then we'll connect the bottom. So it should be a square shape. That's going to help us line up the head. We're going to start by drawing a curve coming out from here, or a diagonal line on each side. And then we're going to draw the top of his head. We're going to draw an upside down U. We're going to come up, around, and then back down. Now at the top, let's draw a curve here. We can draw another one right above it. And then 2 lines right down the middle. Now let's draw the side of his helmet, or the side of his head. We'll start really close to that curve. We'll come in and then come down to his chin. And we'll do the same thing over here for his other cheek. Oh, let's also add, on this side, it comes in a little further, so I'm going to draw it on the inside. And then we'll draw that same design over here on the left. Now we're going to draw his face later when we're coloring. Let's add more details to his body. First, let's draw the cog. We're going to draw a line here. Then we're going to draw an upside down U shape, or half a circle. And then we can draw another smaller half circle below or inside of that one. Then we're going to draw diagonal lines on each side. And let's draw another shorter diagonal line on each side. Cool. Now let's draw a little detail underneath that here. On this next shape, we're going to draw a line that comes down, over, and up. And he had a little light right here. We'll draw a circle. And then he had really cool red details that we're going to draw here and also on the arm. So let's start right here. We'll draw a short diagonal line in on both sides and down. Then we'll come in and down further, in and down. Now the little red details right here, we'll draw a line coming down and then connecting in. And the same to match on the right side. Now let's draw his stomach. We'll draw 2 lines down. And then we'll add a square inside of that shape. Then right here, we'll draw a diagonal line coming in and down. Same thing on the other side, in, down. And then we can also connect right here. Cool, let's add another detail. We'll draw a line down, in, and then down again. Kind of looks like a lightning bolt. Now let's add details to his legs. Short line in, and then a diagonal line. Short line in, and diagonal. Then down here at the bottom of his legs, let's draw his feet. We're going to draw 2 horizontal lines going across on both legs. Let's draw another horizontal line for the very bottom of his feet. Then a rectangle shape on top of his foot. And we can also draw a little line in the middle. Okay, now let's draw this really long detail on the top part of his leg. We'll draw that line going up. Then we'll match his knee going across, and then a diagonal line back down. Short line, diagonal line down. Then we could draw a small rectangle shape on the outside where his ankles are. Now let's add the details to his arm. We'll start here, draw a short horizontal line, then down, and then a diagonal line out. Then let's draw a short line here and another diagonal line down. This is red when we color him.
Cool.
Then we'll do the same thing over here to match. Short line, down, and then a diagonal line out. Short line, and then another diagonal line. There's so many details on Transformers.
So awesome, though.
Yeah, feels like we're actually putting together a puzzle.
Yeah.
One line at a time. Okay, now let's finish the bottom of his arms. We'll draw a line here, diagonal, and then finish going down. Then 2 lines in. And we'll repeat that over here. Line down, diagonal out, line down. And 2 lines connecting to the inside. And we did it. We finished drawing Megatron, except we still need to
Color him.
Yes, and also add his face. So this part will speed up. Remember to pause the video at the end so that you can match our same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Jack, we're almost done. We finished coloring everything in solid. Now let's draw the face. We're gonna start with our 33 yellow, and we can draw 2 horizontal lines towards the top of his helmet. I'm gonna draw them right here, and another one right next to it. Then we're gonna switch to our light gray, and we're gonna color in everything around the yellow eyes solid with this light gray. Then with our medium gray, we're gonna draw a shadow above his eyes, but below the top of his helmet. So we draw going across. Then we're gonna draw his nose. We're gonna draw 2 lines down from his eyes on each side, and then we can connect them. So we got this rectangle shape. Then we can draw his mouth. We're gonna draw a line across that's wider than his nose. Then we'll also draw a short line for the bottom
chin.
of his lip.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we could also round the chin at the very bottom. We're gonna use the black marker to draw the bottom of his nose and also his mouth. Oh, now it looks like Megatron. He looks awesome.
Yeah.
We could even use our gel pen or white colored pencil to add a little circle in the center of the yellow line for his eye. There's Megatron's face. Now let's use our dark gray to add just a few more details to his body. We're gonna start here and draw a line coming in and then connect down. Same thing over here, line in and connect down. Then we can add 3 dots inside of that shape on each side. Then we can draw a line coming down. Then right here we'll trace or draw a smaller shape inside. We can draw a little rectangle on his hips. An extra line right here on the top of his legs. We could also draw a little rectangle shape. Then we'll come up to his arms, draw a line connecting, and then a line on the inside. Then we can draw those same lines on the right side. And then let's draw a rectangle shape here and on the other side. We could add 2 dots on both sides and also a dot here. Oh, we could add 2 lines on each side of his helmet. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Megatron. He turned out super cool. I especially love yours.
Thank you.
He looks really tough.
Yeah, it does.
Remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings and add all of those extra details.
It would be really cool to draw this with Optimus Prime.
Oh yeah, and we could draw the background, Cybertron.
Yeah.
That would be really cool.
We hope you have fun drawing Megatron with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And parents, be sure to check out Transformers 1. You can click the link in the description to purchase today.
It really is one of our new favorite movies.
Yeah, we love it so much. And we also want to give a special shout out and a big thank you to Paramount Pictures for sponsoring today's lesson. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.